Hello there. It's Luwasi Forex, and I'm just here to document on this video. But before I go on, allow me to thank my mentors: Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad; Timothy Sykes, who wrote the book, the foreword to the book, the Penny Stock Course, and Matthew Greta, who wrote the book Rocket Stocks. And you can find all their books on Amazon Kindle. Now, I really just want to talk about this chart. So on the left side of my computer screen is a system, a proprietary system, which I am not allowed to share with you. So if you sign up to my email list below, I will send you a free watch list and with recommendations of whether to buy or sell. That's if you sign up, I'll be sending you such things. Now, with this one, I with this trade, not this one below, the one above, I focused on the 15-minute chart. So the first thing that you will notice about this trade was that the 50-day moving average crossed the 200-day moving average within a 5-hour time frame, and that's what inspired me to buy it. Because it happened within like a 5-hour time frame, and it was crazy. It happened within, it was so quick, it was so fast. The risk was probably less than 2%. And that's what I love about this strategy. It was so fast, it was so technical. And I have never done a strategy like this, but thanks to the system, the proprietary system that I'm using, I was able to really catch it and just see it. Especially what made me really enter this trade was the fact that the 50-day moving average had just crossed the 200-day moving average within a 5-hour time frame. And the entry was just so close to this cross here, and that's what encouraged me to like enter it. I was like, yo, it is so close. Like, it is insane how close it is. So I was like, nah, this is definitely a good entry. And then this one was something that I recently also discovered. It was very, very, very powerful strategy, and it was within. I think we could use the 15-minute time frame, because what it was it's giving me 30 minutes. All right, see if it will give us 15 minutes. Okay, so what it was here was that if you look at it within this time frame, it's more of like a flat market. So the market was kind of like sleeping, right? So the price went up like that, and then it just came kind of like sleepy like that. So with this one, it was more of like a sleeping market, right? So the price went up and it came down, then it rested on the 50-day moving average. And this kind of pattern is very professional, very, very professional. This is the most professional pattern I have ever witnessed, whereby the price goes up and then it just like sleeps right there on the 50-day moving average. And the way it sleeps on the 50-day moving average. Also, something I noticed was the multiplier was limited to 25x, right? And that was very funny. The fact that the broker actually limited the multiplier, that was very funny and something awesome to witness. So again, if you want to use the broker that I'm using, after you sign up, you will be sent to a sign up link for this broker IQ option, and it's only available to Africa Asia and Latin America. You can use this broker, and when you use it, full disclosure, I get 40% of all your trades if you use my affiliate link after you sign up for a free watch list guide. So basically, this is what happens, and then it just goes down there like that, and then it kind of like flat lines. And it was something. It was a breath taking experience. Of course, there was also this one in video which I entered yesterday. I wish I documented about it as well, but I entered it yesterday. It was very similar. Also, the 50-day moving average crossed the 200-day moving average. Very similar. Very powerful strategy as well. Very powerful strategy, including Facebook as well. Even though it's down by negative 2%, it is still a very powerful strategy. And what I love about the strategies that I used with this one, the stocks, was they're very low risk. This is like beginner. And most likely, when you sign up to my email list below, we're going to start on that beginner level, right? Forex trading is a very advanced, and that will be later on into your journey when you do forex trading, kind of like what happened with these two here. These are more advanced strategies, but we'll start you off with something so simple as trading stocks, just like these. And very simple strategy, very simple strategy, and very safe. You have to make sure you use the lowest margin. Very safe strategy, using the lowest margin as compared to the later on, when you become super advanced, we can now talk about forex trading. And honestly, I am actually even talking about it right now. I'm actually giving you the double dose. you know I'm actually showing you the advanced strategy. So, but I understand if you do not get it, but I'm actually showing you the advanced strategy of forex trading. So really, I'm just saying that I will teach you this in the future for formality's sake, but I'm actually talking about it right now. Like, look at this, right? It was right there on the 50-day moving average, and that's super advanced. But what I loved about this one here, Nvidia, was again, it's a very low margin, very low risk, including Facebook. Very low margin, very low risk, negative 2%. So, and that's what I loved about it. But then ideally, you want to use the system. So let's see if we could find a watch list or something we could trade using the system on the right. So I'm on the system right now, and I'm going to check for indexes. Now, I'm using an advanced strategy on the system on my left side of my screen, and I'm screening right now for indexes, whether indexes are a good buy or not. So let's see what we have. Okay, so we have a pattern here on the index chart. So indexes are basically, do we have indexes here? I need to check. Okay, I don't think we have indexes here. Okay, we do not have indexes, and that's fine. We'll stick to stocks. But on stocks, let's see what we have here. On stocks, let's see if I could search for stocks. I've actually created a watch list on the system right here. So on stocks, using the super advanced, now that there are two again, there's technical and then there's fundamental. So I'm using fundamental right now. Just I'm just clicking my mouse. So we have on stocks we have Cisco. Cisco has appeared on the watch list. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's study Cisco. There we go. So 50-day moving average crosses the 200-day moving average on the 15-minute chart. I want you to notice that there is a pattern repeating, and the pattern that's repeating is the 50-day moving average is crossing the 200-day moving average within the week. So Cisco is definitely a good buy. It's limited multiplier, and this is a very good sign, especially if the broker kind of like limits the multiplier like this. I look at it as a good sign. I look at it like this is a very good system to trade. Sometimes when the broker does not limit the multiplier, it could show that the strategy is not a good options trading strategy, right? Like like these strategies that I used for Facebook and these others, these strategies are future trading strategies. So with future trading strategies, ideally you're holding for a long time. Why? Because you are looking at market volatility, right? You are accounting for market volatility, and that's why the lowest margins are there. But with these other strategy, which I just discovered today, what makes me so confident in knowing that it is a very good strategy is the fact that the multiplier has been limited on this broker. So we would enter a pending order, and hopefully on the next video, we'll be able to review the trade. Now, I think I have like like 8 minutes more. We could go on and on talking about this because I enjoy talking about trading. I was recently doing a course on how to run a webinar with one of my mentors, my online business mentors, Anik Sengao. Thank you, Anik, for teaching me how to market. And he was talking about webinars, and and he had all this formula. Personally, what I believe is when you know something so well, you really do not need a formula on how to teach it. You can just go off a tangent and just like keep teaching it over and over again. So, like with Cisco, which is what we have found in our system, I have noticed that the multiplier is limited, which is a very good sign, and that's why I've put in a pending order. Also, another one I saw was the S&P 500. Now, let's see if we could find something on gold. See if I can check for gold. See if we could find something for gold. The technical analysis. So it was more like a double whammy. The way I discovered how to buy these two today, it was more of like a super double whammy. Because the other one was like super fast, and then I mean I have been studying the markets crazy. Let's see what we have here. I have been studying the markets like crazy. Okay, so according to here, we have another one. So in this other one, oh my God, this is a very advanced strategy. I don't know if I'm being allowed to share with you, but the oil price is actually going down. Okay, so now I want you to notice something. Like when we were shorting, it didn't really cross the 50-day moving has it. Excuse me. The 50-day moving average hasn't really crossed, but then it has this bouncy thing. So let's see what will happen. I'm using a demo account, by the way. Okay. Wow, negative 15%. Okay. All right, that's crazy. But it has appeared on the system, so hey, why not? So if you notice on the on this chart here with the short selling, it's more of like it has passed on like that. Now, obviously, ideally, I would again, this is a warning. I'm using an advanced strategy, so ideally, I wouldn't use 100x, right? That's way, way, way too much. Most likely, 10x is ideal for this trade. But I'm just using this broker as an example. So ideally, if you were to use another broker, I would say use 10x multiplier on oil, right? So I want you to note, like when shorting, note that it has not really crossed the 50-day moving average has not really crossed. So what has happened here was oh no, oh sorry, wrong trade, sorry. This is of a completed pattern. Completed. Oh, sorry. I'm very, very sorry. This is not the current trade, but ideally, I want you to notice that when you are shorting, right, there is this thing going on. So, oil is in a downtrend. I think again, I wouldn't short oil, but that was a mistake, and you saw it live, so very entertaining. But according to the system that I'm using, in the system that I'm using, it's stating that oil is in a downtrend. And as you can see, oil has been in a downtrend. I think also what I love about this broker is they are breaking news here. So you can also look at the articles and do some further research. But as of commodities, I have not seen anything, whether technically or pattern wise. Stocks, I saw Cisco, Forex. We've already traded Forex. So I don't know what else we would look at. Let me see what we have here. I want to see how much time we have left. If we could screen, okay, we are almost out of time. I think we have like 3 minutes left. I don't know if I could screen another stock. Let me see what we have here. We only have like 3 minutes left. So anyway, I'd love to thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was a little bit all over the place, but I hope I hope you got something out of it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And my disclaimer is: don't buy what I tell you to buy, don't sell what I tell you to sell. Do your own research when you are trading these things. And that's my disclaimer: do your own research. Don't buy what I tell you to buy, don't sell what I tell you to sell. And feel free to sign up for my free watch list. Below this video, there should be a link where you enter your email list and your name. And feel free to sign up for that. I would love to thank you so much for watching. I'd love to thank you so much for watching this video. And again, trade safely, and bye bye.